Maths, the median. Our title for today's lesson, the median. Learning objectives. How to calculate the median. How to calculate the median for odd numbers. How to calculate the median for even numbers. What is the median? The rule. In maths, the median is the middle value of a data set when the numbers are arranged in order from least to greatest. It acts as a central point, splitting the data so that 50% of the numbers fall below it and 50% fall above it. How to calculate the median? Step by step. Step number 1. Order the data. Always arrange your numbers in ascending order, smallest to largest first. Step 2. Locate the middle number. Odd amount of numbers. The median is the exact middle number. Even amount of numbers. There will be two middle numbers. Add the two middle numbers and divide by 2. How to calculate the median? Examples. Odd number of values. Example A. Find the median. 3, 1, 4, 9, 2. Step 1. Order the data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Step 2. The exact middle number is 3, which means the median is 3. How to calculate the median? Examples. Odd number of values. Example B. Find the median. 98, 12, 7, 3, 27. Step 1. Order the data. 3, 7, 12, 27, 98. Step 2. The exact middle number is 12. The median equals 12. How to calculate the median? Examples. Even number of values. Example A. Find the median. 8, 2, 12, 4. Step 1. Order the data. 2, 4, 8, 12. Step 2. The two middle numbers are 4 and 8. So step 3. Calculate their mean. 4 plus 8 equals 12. Divide by 2 equals 6. The median equals 6. How to calculate the median? Examples. Even number of values. Example B. Find the median. 86, 16, 18, 40. First step. Order the data. 16, 18, 40, 86. Step 2. The two middle numbers are 18 and 40. Step 3. Calculate their mean. 18 plus 40 equals 58. Divide by 2 equals 29. The median equals 29. In review of today's lesson, we have shown how to calculate the median. We know how to calculate the median for odd numbers. We also know how to calculate the median for even numbers. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. If you have, please like, share, and definitely subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you, and goodbye.